Hello guys, quick one. In this iPhone, I'll be showing you how to do this WhatsApp voice note recorder on your status. So simply go to your App Store and check if you have the latest WhatsApp. Go to App Store, that is for Android users, for iPhone users. Type the word WhatsApp. If you are using the old version of the WhatsApp, it's not going to work. Make sure you tap here, and if you have any update, tap on the update to update the latest version. So we're going to wait for this update to complete. So after the completion of this update, then we'll go back to our WhatsApp and check if the voice note have come. So at the moment, it's taking the time to update my WhatsApp for me. So the update has finished. So click on open WhatsApp. So when the WhatsApp come in, then this is what we're gonna do. Go to status, go to my status here. You see that the voice note has been active. So let me type it, for example, and say, hello WhatsApp, this is a testing mode. You see? Hello WhatsApp, this is a testing mode. So it has already recorded. I hope you find this video interesting. Please don't forget to click, share, like, and comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Omotech 360. Thank you.